naglagay niyan chocolate sa toys?
Di ako yun.
O, sino?
Si Abby.
Abby? Ikaw naglagay ng chocolate sa toys?
No.
O,
Not me. Not me. Oh, not me.
O maybe si Sky. Si Sky nakain na rin ng chocolate ba?
No.
Come here.
Yes.
Come here. Mabait ka, di ba? Sino naglagay ng chocolate ko?
Not me.
It's not you.
I only drop in the floor little bit.
Oh, a little bit. Oh, how about Ate Abby?
It's not me. I put it here in my chocolate.
Oh,
I did it.
you put it.
Yeah, I'm telling the truth. It's not me. It's not. No, it's not me. Yes, you are. No, it's not me. Yes, you are. I tell it to Tita and someone the truth is you. No, it's not me. When my Tito always tell the truth, someone is hiding somebody secret. Don't tell to Tito or Mama. You did something wrong. Say, excuse me or opo. Or sorry or opo. Like that. Aya? That's not my fault. Say sorry to Tita. Sorry.
Okay. Oh, kiss mo na ako dito.
And Abby too.
Kiss na. Mamaya dadaputin mo ni tita. Okay. Sige na, play na kayo.
Ga. Bulaga. 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 Bulaga.